Hey guys, so I got this dent the other day, backing into a snowbank. I'm going to show you how to fix it with a heat gun and a screwdriver. You could also use a hair dryer, or boiling water works the same. Bumpers are just plastic. So here's a way to save money and fix your car. It's really simple. All you need to do is take your heat gun, turn it on to the highest setting, start in the middle heating it up, work your way around, and when it gets really hot, you're gonna push it from the inside with the screwdriver. Here's how you do it. Get in here and push. Oh, not ready yet. As you can see, we're making a little bit of progress. A little bit. Not very much, but dent's going away. Keep going. You don't want to use the sharp side because it'll poke a hole in the bumper. You want to use the soft round side because it won't leave any scratch or poke a hole. Remember, it's just plastic. So a little bit right here. Let's heat that up a bit more. As you can see, the dent is gone. And if I washed the whole car, you wouldn't even see it anymore. So right there, just saved me about $300, and all I need is a hairdryer. Easy. Don't do stupid stuff. See you next week.